Well, so this is my third video of the day, and I have to say this, people. The book that I'm about to review is perhaps the most widely read book in the Indian subcontinent. I mean, Chetan Bhagat, take a bow. I mean, like, it's I know it might occur to most of you all that this is a book that everybody's read. So just why am I doing a review of it? But the fact is, certain things need to be almost documented because people. I call myself a writer. Like I have written like some 25 ebooks, more than 25 ebooks on Amazon, and one of my regular books, 250-page book, sold over 10,000 copies. Which is and this happened, I had written it when I was 21, and right now my age is top secret. But anyway, so I've seen this the publishing industry from close quarters, yeah, the kind of struggles and to finally get your book out there. So Chetan Bhagat, I mean, yeah, the content of this book, I mean, we've all seen Chetan Bhagat's books from the from his very first debut book, which again I will review, 5 point someone. But this book stands out because it's like this whole thing of every line in the book is funny. Yeah, so in fact I have to say this, people, that if there's one book that I keep with me in my showcase nearby, that I can keep reading and referring to, because I feel as a writer, if you can imbibe this style, that's it, your life is made. So a book like this just goes beyond ratings. I mean, it's like a 7-star rating. Even if on a scale of 1 to 5, it'll rate 7. 7-star, not even 6. So go and try and read this book, people. Among all his books, I think Chetan Bhagat has, like, he outdid himself in 2 states. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.